Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. Most of you guys mentioned that I should have showed the sticker price on that with the accessories on it. So that's the 2023 Acura Integra right there. It's the video I made on before. And this is the same trim level. It's an A spec. It's just whatever accessories that's on there is not on this. And it's a big difference with the pricing. So here it is for those that commented and wanted to see it. But it's right there. Dealer added equipment. You can pause it, check it out. It's at 49. So the markup might be at 50, 51, 52. And again, this is a 1.5 liter, 200 horsepower. I know you guys aren't happy with it because back in the Integras before the 90s, oh man, those were the Integras. But now you guys are waiting on a Type S to see if that comes out. See if it makes a big difference. But yeah, this is A spec as well, on the same trim level. And check out the price on this one right here with a few accessories on it. So imagine you can minus out the accessories if you don't want them. You can minus out the accessories from that amount. Door edge guards, handle cavity inserts, trunk protector. You know, they got the Zurich shield, which is like exterior protection, ceramic. You can minus that, and that will be the pretty much MSRP price. And literally, these are the wheels on that, on this one right here, and this wheels over here on this one right here. So different, yes, but the amount of price you're paying for it is it's insane. Side molding I showed you in the previous video. This one doesn't have it. In the front, as you can see, the emblem, Acura emblem, is blacked out, gloss black. Over here, it's not. And then in the rear, you got the diffuser and the spoiler on that one, the accessory one right here. As you can see, this previous video that I showed. If you haven't watched it, I'll put the link in the description below. Go ahead and watch it. Got the carbon fiber spoiler. You got the mirror caps as well, carbon fiber. The diffuser is more aggressive. On this one, this is the diffuser you'll get pretty much if you don't get the accessory one. And this is the spoiler you're gonna get if you don't get the accessory ones, the carbon fiber one right there. See, this is what you're gonna get. And then same amount of space, honestly. Open up the back. So consider this as a 5-door because it's like a hatchback. So it's like a luxury of you're looking at like a 2022 Civic, like just more luxury and looks. This is the one you have in the back. And let's go inside. Show you guys keyless entry. This is the interior is a little bit different as well. You could see from the previous one. Again, the link's in the description below for the previous one with the accessories on it, but yeah, the pricing is insane. That's that. Let's go ahead and start this thing up because it's super hot. It's 9 degrees out. It's a bit windy out a little bit, so bear with me. I'm doing this to help you guys out, you know, get your mindset right. Literally same, you get the animation there, so you see the turn signal pops up in there too in the screen center console. Same thing with the lights, they're on. And what else was it? Auto dimming rear view mirror right here. Got the moonroof as well. Same trim. Storage for your shades. This is the amount of space you have inside. Same amount of space as you had on the previous one. But what do you guys think on this vehicle? This one doesn't have the... It has the buttons, but on that one is full touchscreen. In the way of like these buttons are like touchscreen over there. Well, media connect, no things, menu. And then this one you just gotta go by using this knob right here. But you do get the CarPlay by having it with the USB. So that's same thing works. The other one had the wireless, I believe, charging pad and wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. This one's just the USB. And what do you guys think about the pricing and the amount of power it has? It's a 1.5, 200 horsepower. That's what the interior looks like on this one. Gloss black finish around the steering wheel. And then you got the chrome in the bottom. See how much space you have in the back. This is animation for shutting it off. And let's go. I'm gonna close this top because it's super hot. I'm gonna close that. And that's the back side. Passenger seats. And again, that's what it looks like from the side on this one. Sorry for the wind noise. And that's the side on this one. Let's go for the front. So you guys can match it up real quick from the exterior versus the other side. And then the front on this one. As you can see, the A-Spec badge right here is kind of also gloss black with the red A letter. Same thing over here, it's chrome with the red A. Let's check out the back side. See the mirror caps I was talking about, carbon fiber mirror caps. I believe these are covers that go over it. Okay, it looks like it because there's a gap in there. If you want to take a better look at the wheels, this side the sun is hitting it so you can see it more clear. Side moldings. The sun's hitting this one so you can see it clear more. And then you got no side moldings. And then this is what the back looks like. The accessories. The accessories on. And this is what without the accessories the back looks like. Alright, comment below what you guys think. If this video was helpful, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of upcoming content. And appreciate the support, and peace out until next time, fam.